Hey guys, what's up? For quite a long time, I'm using this microphone. This is the Maono AU-PM461TR. It is a good microphone for people who do voiceovers and streaming, and it costs around 1600 to 1900 rupees depending on the availability. So, if you're searching for a microphone for voiceovers and streaming purposes and have eyes on this one, then this video is for you, as it is a full review of this microphone to help you out if it's the right microphone for you or not. At first, let's have a quick look at the box contents. So you get your microphone, a mounting adapter, a desk stand, a windmuff, a USB Type A to Type B cable which is currently secured with zip ties onto my boom arm, and lastly some paperwork which is basically a thanking card and a manual where you will see technical information regarding the microphone and the installation process. Now the installation is very simple. You just need to attach all the things one by one like this and then plug the cable and you're good to go. Now talking about its design and build quality, it has a very sleek and minimal looking design. I personally like the design very much. At the front you get to see a gain knob, which at this price is really amazing. It is all plastic and because of that some say it feels very cheap, but to be honest, in my experience I do not feel the same way. After all, it's a portable mic, so plastic is the way to go as it will make it lightweight, and moreover I don't feel that much compromise in terms of durability as the plastic is of good quality and feels rugged. The stand is where you can say the cost cutting has been done. It is a pretty basic stand where you can just adjust the angle of the microphone. The height is not adjustable, which limits the usability of this microphone. And this is why you need to buy a separate stand or a boom arm like I have purchased. Now the good thing about the stand is the mounting adapter that comes with it. It works with any boom arm. Just check that your boom arm comes with this little thing or else you need to buy it separately. With most of the boom arms you will get one, but you should always check. Talking about its specification, it is a cardioid polar pattern condenser microphone. The diaphragm of the core is 14 mm. It has a sensitivity of -13.5 dBFS to 0.5 dBFS, and it has a maximum sound pressure level of 93.5 decibels. And lastly, it has a SN ratio of 60 decibels. Now coming to the audio quality, for so long what you have been hearing is from this mic only. I use Audacity to record and edit my voiceovers. So far you are listening to the edited audios, and now in 3, 2, 1. So what you are hearing now is a completely unedited raw audio sample, and currently you can see at the back that it is being recorded with Audacity and I'm not using the windmuff. So now I will quickly read a paragraph from this book so that you can understand how the quality of the mic is and what kind of quality you can expect if you do voiceovers with this microphone. So here I go. Microeconomics explains the determination of the conditions of the efficiency of consumption and production, and also explains the cause of deviation from the efficiency condition or from the optimum situation. Apart from this, microeconomics recommends the appropriate policy of increased economic efficiency and public welfare on the basis of the theory of microeconomics. Thus, microeconomics not only analyzes the actual performance of the economy, it also recommends the policy of the removal of inefficiency of the economy for maximization of public satisfaction or welfare maximization. Now, this is also an unedited raw audio sample, but this time I'm using the windmuff, and currently you can see that it is still being recorded with Audacity. So I will read the same paragraph from this book so that you can understand what is the difference between with and without the windmuff. So here I go again. Microeconomics explains the determinations of the conditions of the efficiency of consumption and production, and also explains the cause of deviation from the efficiency condition or from the optimum situation. Apart from this, microeconomics recommends the appropriate policy of increased economic efficiency and public welfare on the basis of the theory of microeconomics. Thus, microeconomics not only analyzes the actual performance of the economy, it also recommends the policy of the removal of inefficiency of the economy for maximization of public satisfaction or welfare maximization. Now, if you are thinking that you are not able to understand the difference between these two, I mean with and without the windmuff, then don't worry. I know I am using this mic for a couple of months, so I know what kind of noise cancellation it can produce. It can provide. So after making you hear all the unedited audio samples, I will tell you what kind of noise cancellation you can expect from this microphone if your priority is noise cancellation. Now this is again an unedited audio sample, but this time it is being recorded with the Windows voice recorder, as you can see on the screen. Now I will read the same paragraph to show you what's the difference if you record with this Windows recorder versus the Audacity. So here we go. Microeconomics explains the determinations of the conditions of the efficiency of consumption and production, and also explains the causes of deviation from the efficiency condition or from the optimum situation. Apart from this, microeconomics recommends the appropriate policy of increased economic efficiency and public welfare on the basis of the theory of microeconomics. Thus, microeconomics not only analyzes the actual performance of the economy, it also recommends the policy of the removal of inefficiency of the economy for maximization of public satisfaction or welfare maximization. And lastly, this is an audio that I am recording with my phone. This is also an unedited raw audio sample that you are hearing. So I will read the same paragraph so that you can understand what kind of quality difference you will be facing if you use a phone instead of a PC. So here I go again. Microeconomics explains the determination of the conditions of the efficiency of consumption and production, and also explains the causes of deviation from the efficiency condition or from the optimum situation. Apart from this, microeconomics recommends the appropriate policy of increased economic efficiency and public welfare on the basis of the theory of microeconomics. Thus, microeconomics not only analyzes the actual performance of the economy, it also recommends the policy of the removal of inefficiency of the economy for maximization of public satisfaction or welfare maximization. So after hearing the audios, I hope you got an idea that what kind of audio quality you can expect if you use this mic for voiceovers and streaming. Now if not, then hear me out. I have written these in points. So the first one is device. The device that you are plugging this into is very important. It will work with a PC or a phone or some other device that supports USB mics, but it will only sound the best when used with a PC. Second is the software. The software you use to record your voice has a great impact on the audio quality. So I will recommend you to use Audacity as it is easy to use and it will work on almost every PC. Third is noise cancellation. If your priority is noise cancellation, then you should not go with this microphone, nor with any other microphone at this price, because at this price you will only get this much level of noise cancellation. This mic is not great in terms of noise cancellation, but if you consider the price, then it's great, because some other microphones that are available at a relatively higher price than this one also has a similar quality of noise cancellation. So I will say it's very good for the price, but average in terms of actual usability. You will need to soundproof your room or go to a silent place to use it properly. And lastly, let's talk about the gain knob. The gain knob is not something extraordinary, but it is very rare to see in a mic that is so aggressively priced. It is a very handy feature for streamers, as if you want to change the gain, then you don't have to minimize all the stuff and then change it from the software. you can just do it directly on the mic. Overall, the mic is really good. It has a really good build quality and it also has really good audio clarity if used with a PC with good recording software. Even if you don't want to edit your audios, that's completely okay. You can record with a good recording software and that will be enough. The raw audio samples recorded with a good recording software is pretty good and usable for content creation. For 16 to 1900 rupees, it is a very good product. And with that said, this is it guys. Thanks for watching and as always, I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.